What's up, y'all? It's Timmyjayy and
Boss CC, y'all.
we about to be reacting to 16 Deep featuring TSB Super Freak official video. I don't know, you know. I hope this kind of a little weird. You feel me?
I don't know, a little ratchet going on.
No, a little ratchet rat. You feel me? I'm just about to see what y'all think about this, and I want y'all to comment below y'all reactions on this, and show all y'all friends, show y'all grandma, show everybody on this bitch. You feel me?
Dogs,
Like
cats, my nigga.
it don't matter. Like show everybody. You feel me? You said dogs, cats. I heard that.
All right, go on. Let's get it.
All right. That was awkward.
Yeah.
Platinum Stars ENT. 16 Deep. Gonna show y'all the definition of super freak. We're gonna get super freaky. You know how ballers do it.
Fuck. No.
No.
Who was that nigga?
Okay. I like the beat though.
Say no. Hey, okay. This can't be weird right here now. Come on now.
Yeah. Good. Come on, man. Really? Bitch, keep your...
That beat was so fire. Why the fuck would y'all do that? I'm a rapper. Y'all is disappointing me right now. What the fuck? Let's keep this going.
The bitch, some bitch like she got damn shoestrings in her head.
I know. Ugh.
No.
I'm a bad bitch. Look how this ass sits. I take them in the red. I'm about my cash, bitch. I'm working on my masters. That's like 200K.
Bitch said she working on her masters. And what? Sucking dick? Like,
I know.
seriously.
What the fuck? Really? You say you working on your masters and you on this video showing all your cheeks to everybody in the fucking world on the net. Bitch, no. Stop.
You not, and then, yeah, bitch, you living up to your name. You being a super prostitute on here.
I know.
She probably got about 5 kids up here talking about she a super freak. Yeah, okay.
For real.
Keep going, man. Keep going.
I'm done with this shit. Like a damn toenail clipper.
$1 million body, $1 million face. Plus I'm a super freak. I got them going stupid. This card is on my face. The truth is on my booty. Bitch, I don't want your man. I change him like the weather. You bitches looking sloppy hoes. Get your shit together.
I bet that bitch smell like tuna fish.
These bitches like they stink.
I'm ready for whatever.
No.
What is she?
You talking about you ready for whatever, bitch? You need to be ready for some pizza. You need to be ready for some fucking noodles in your stomach, bitch. Not even noodles. She needs some fat and shit. She need to go to a buffet.
She need to go to a motherfucking and get her a motherfucking whole pig and eat that bitch all day.
I know, for real.
You need to eat it, bitch. Eat it, bitch. Talking about you a super freak. Like, sit your ass down. Ugh.
They soaking with a super freak. That way he supposed to like. Super freak. Super freak. I'm super freaky.
Who mama and auntie is this? Ugh.
I'm super freaky. Super freak.
Bruh, the whole motherfucking video, you gonna hear me saying ugh, cause this shit nasty.
Super freak.
They probably got them motherfucking swimming suits as damn. They probably got them motherfucking swimming suits as starvation off of me, but.
Who is that? She like a big ass pickle jar. Who is that?
I live for my big people, but come on, dog. Really, like, I'm big my fucking self, girl. You on here sucking the motherfucking pickle. Like, seriously.
I almost just turned this video off. What the fuck, bro?
I can watch anymore. This shit.
The fuck? Hold up. No, Go back.
Is this bitch on top of him?
Stop.
No.
Oh my goodness, she's suffocating that nigga. That nigga probably
like
fucking
dead.
that nigga deceased. Nigga, he ain't dead, he deceased. That nigga on the ground fucking wishing she'd get up. You need to stop smothering people, damn.
Fucking crying toothpick. I'm dead. That bitch nasty.
Hey, as y'all can see, we stopped that fucking video. We couldn't take no fucking more.
That shit was nasty, bro. Like, she needs to fucking...
She could stop.
Just stop. Just stop, bitch. Stop. You almost killed him.
Yes. You almost killed him. That nigga funeral will be tomorrow. Say no, just playing. But no, hey y'all, like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Timmyjayy and CC.
Yes.
Follow us on our networks. We're gonna put it in the description. And you know, follow me at Timmyjayy's World.
Big confidence, big _ confidence, you guys.
Yep. And Timmyjay's World, TimmyJaysWorld. You know, I got 21K on there, so be my next follower. You know, support us. You feel me? Keep on supporting.
Man, send us reaction videos.
Oh yeah.
Like, send it to us.
Send it to us on our Instagrams. We're gonna put it in the description. So click on our Instagrams in the description and send us weird videos.
This is like, I really like doing this shit, y'all. Just reacting to videos.
It's interesting. It's just interesting. So we trying to make this like our daily life. So if y'all really fuck with us, go ahead and do that. So we're gonna end it off like that. It's Timmyjayy and CC out.
Out. This is all our social medias right here, you guys. Add my brother on Timmyjay's World and add me on Instagram, Big Confidence. And also, I be on Snapchat, y'all, so add me on the Snap too as well. All right. Subscribe.